Welcome to this tutorial on how to edit the Read More button in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to easily navigate your WordPress account and customize the Read More text on your website to match your style and purpose. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to your WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will see the Login option. Click on this Login button to proceed. After selecting Login, you will be presented with several options for signing in. For simplicity and security, choose the option to continue with Google. From the list of accounts, select the one that you normally use to manage your WordPress dashboard. This method streamlines the login process, making it faster and eliminating the need to remember an additional password. Once you are successfully logged in, focus on the layout of your WordPress dashboard, where you will find a section labeled Quick Links. Within this section, locate and click the option labeled Edit Site. Clicking this takes you into the site editing interface, where you can modify your website's design, layout, and content elements. After entering the editor, look towards the top left corner of the screen and click on the plus icon. This icon allows you to add new elements or access existing editing tools. In the search field that appears, type Read More. Doing this will prompt WordPress to locate the Read More button settings and display the corresponding element for editing. When the Read More option appears, click on it to bring up the configuration panel associated with this element. You will now see a text box containing the current Read More text. At this stage, you have the opportunity to customize the text to better reflect the tone, style, and call to action of your website. Delete or modify the existing text and type in the new wording you wish to display. Once satisfied with the change, locate the Save button on your interface and click it. Saving ensures that all your modifications are applied across the website and visible to visitors immediately. By following these steps, you have successfully updated the Read More button text on your WordPress site. Happy WordPress using!